Finally. Where's our milk? Oh, there we go. Clumsy me. Now where's our ice cream? Not in the fridge, I can tell you that. Who puts ice cream in the fridge anyway? No vanilla, but cookies and cream. That'll have to do. I don't want to put anything else in it, but cookies and cream already seems good enough. The ice cream was already open. And it expired last month. Heh. And this isn't even open. How do I know when enough is? For one person? Can't ever be too safe. Who just rang the doorbell? Hello? Nobody's here, I guess. Kids. I'm gonna get those hoodlums this time. I am so confused. Am I tripping or something? What's happening? Yeah, how do I know when enough is enough? Better safe than sorry. There we go. Milk time. Hopefully this is not expired too. I don't even care. Not gonna get me this time. How much milk do I put in a milkshake? That should be good. Return the stuff back to the fridge. Man. That's the easiest thing to ever make in my life. Cap on the thing. Start. Oh shoot. Where's the ice cream? Smoothie. Low. It's basically a smoothie. What is this machine? Man, taste test time. That tastes oddly satisfying. I don't even like cookies and cream ice cream sometimes. Best milkshake I've ever had. Time to watch Wednesday Addams Season 2. Who is keep ringing my doorbell? I honestly just got to know. Who? Who cares? I'm not going there. I'm too happy for today. I got my milkshake here.
Literally, nobody cares.
Who said that? This is the best milkshake you'll ever taste. You know, that just ruined my mood. I'm out.